Tower of Terror. Tower of Terror, Ken Walley.
I have worked at Walt Disney World for 46 years. And it is a great company to work for. They have wonderful benefits. And tonight, I'm going to tell you about a benefit you've probably never even heard of. It's called the walking tour. You get to go to an attraction or a ride, go behind the scenes and see how the magic is made. Now, there are two that I really love. One of them is the Haunted Mansion. I stood in that room with that gigantic table and the ghosts dancing around me. And I got to see exactly how they did that special effect. And I'm not telling you because I'm going to get into big trouble if I do. The other one was Spaceship Earth. We started at the bottom, and we walked all the way up to the top and all the way back down again. And I was there in the cave with the cavemen, and I was there as Rome burned around me, and I looked over the shoulder of Steve Jobs working on his first computer in his garage. So I was delighted when my manager came to me and said, "Ken, I've signed you up for our next walking tour. We are going to do Tower of Terror." Now, I have a few reservations about this. You see, I've never been on the ride Tower of Terror. I've never been in the building Tower of Terror. Why? Because I'm afraid of it. I'm scared to go on Tower of Terror. Tower of Terror is 14 stories high. They say 13 because it sounds a little better. And they drop you 4 stories. Now, I have a fear of being dropped, not to mention a fear of heights. But there I was, the day of the tour, standing in the lobby of the Hotel Hollywood, frozen in time by the Twilight Zone. And I saw how an elevator can go sideways. And I met the ghostly family on the 13th floor. But the entire time I was on this tour, I was thinking, at the end of this tour, I'm going to have to ride this ride. And so it came to be. I entered that infamous elevator. And up we went, and down we went, up we went, down, 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 up. It's completely random. It's never really the same ride. Up, down, down, down. Oh, you lose gravity. You see, you could put a pin right in front of you, and it would just float up, down, down. And it stopped. It stopped. I did it. I rode Tower of Terror. And now I can do it again because I know that I can. I faced my fears. Let me tell you a few things about fear. A lot of you know I have an anxiety disorder. It's related to Asperger's. And the way I describe it is, in the morning when I get up, it's like jumping out of an airplane. But that's not really accurate. To be more precise, it's like looking down the barrel of a gun. You see, each day is a dark, black hole of the unknown, and I have to do something. Now, don't get me wrong. Fear can be a good thing. It keeps you from doing stupid stuff. But fear is addictive, and fear is insidious, but it is not invincible. You can let fear control your life, or you can use it as a key to open new worlds. The things that mean the most to me in my life, things that are the most precious, come from overcoming my fears. Even love has its roots in courage. I had this fear of speaking in front of people. And my wife grabbed me by a collar and she took me to this place called Toastmasters. Now, why would anybody who has a fear of speaking in front of people go to a place that does just that? I was afraid. I was scared. I was frightened of Toastmasters. Ken Walley, frightened of Toastmasters? It's the best thing I do every week. It's opened whole new worlds for me. It's improved my life so much. Afraid of Toastmasters? What is there to be afraid of? The great philosopher Taylor Swift, in her treatise, Are We Out of the Woods Yet? Are We in the Clear? She said this: in the morning, the monsters turned out to be trees. So I'm going to get up every day and I'm going to turn monsters into trees. Manager came to me and said, "Hey, Ken, I signed you up for a new walking tour. We're going to do Guardians of the Galaxy." Heard that's a pretty scary ride. I say, bring it on.